Hey Nova team, in this tutorial we're going to be discussing about the signature item of our email. Some users have probably noticed, and others have not, that in the signature line the icon is missing. There's a logo of our company that is in our signature line that is coming up to be missing. This has been due because someone has copied the image from another person's email signature, or they have taken the image from somewhere where that image is no longer available. And for that example, if we come here to compose a new email, you'll see here that the image is showing with a box that shows it's a broken image. You see that there's an image icon, it's a square, and there's a broken line in between that's showing it's a broken image. So how do we repair that? Alright, so what we're going to do is go ahead and repair that. We're going to go to settings and then click on CL settings. And then on the first tab, which is called general, you'll scroll down and come to your signature line. This is your signature line area, and you'll see here there's your image that is broken. We're going to go ahead and remove it for right now, and then we're going to click on this icon called insert image, and now it's asking you for the image URL. The image URL I have given to you guys on the video description, so go ahead and copy it from there and paste it into this box. See, now there's your image. We're going to click on OK, and now you see that your image is here. But now you need to set it straight because it probably messed up your alignment with your signature. So we'll need to probably move it. And we can just move it here. Let's make sure it's all the way at the last line. That's what we want to make sure. Alright. So, yep, there you go. And if you want to add some more text or add another line space, you can do that. Scroll down to the bottom of this page, click on Save Changes, and now you've gone back to your main window. Click on Compose, and there's your image. And that is exactly how we add the image back that becomes missing. Thank you again. Have a great day.